this is a very good example in the social media age, no? I noticed that in the social media age, your social currency is how many likes or how many followers you have, and that number actually dictates how beautiful, how pretty you are,
How
and
you behave.
How
exactly
valuable you are.
how valuable you are. Unya, if gamay ang imong followers for a while, that creates a negative belief system in you
Yeah.
na I'm not good enough. I might not be as pretty as I am.
Bitaw,
Diba?
which is very dangerous, no? Kay karon gani ang mga newer generation gani, possibly makuha nila ang mga negative belief system na ingaana through their exposure to social media.
Yes.